Bibby-Ste-Croix is recognized as a leader in the conception, design, manufacturing, and marketing of gray and ductile cast iron, specializing in drain waste and vent piping for commercial and residential buildings and waterwork products for water and sewer systems. Among the different products that has made Bibby's name recognizable are gray cast iron soil pipes and couplings used for stormwater and sanitary drainage, street castings, frames and covers, and a full range of municipal products. Bibby operates two foundries, one in Sainte-Croix de la Lotbinière and Foundry La Perle, located in Saint-Ursule-le-Richelieu. It also has two distribution centers, one in Hamilton, Ontario, and one in Medicine Hat, Alberta. By always being able to rely on an experienced team of trained personnel who have product quality at heart, Bibby was able to establish itself as the leader in the market of cast iron products. It offers full ranges of quality products and an outstanding customer service. Furthermore, it established its reputation on this commitment. To ensure a fast and reliable service, Bibby-Ste-Croix keeps a broad inventory, which allows it to meet this commitment. Bibby-Ste-Croix has always made a priority of being a respectful and responsible corporate citizen by caring for its clients and staff as well as the environment. The health and safety of its workers is a business priority. With this in mind, Bibby-Ste-Croix does not hesitate to establish all the necessary human and material resources. It is certified ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001 for its quality and environmental management systems. Its two plants recycle more than 60,000 tons of scrap iron each year. Bibby's products are promoted in the use of green building construction. Founded in 1921, the Ste-Croix Foundry has never stopped growing. With more than 400 employees, it produces an average of 275 tons a day. Several operations are necessary when manufacturing a product: melting, casting, cleaning, grinding, with inspection after each of these operations in order to guarantee product quality. For the melting process, Bibby-Ste-Croix uses a water-cooled cupola of 62 inches diameter. This cupola uses an energy source for the combustion, which is powered by a reused hot blast. The cupola is a continuous casting process with a melting capacity of 21 tons per hour. The cast iron is then forwarded into two holding furnaces, which supply molten iron to various casting machines. In 2001, Bibby-Ste-Croix acquired new induction furnaces. It was a major investment of two 15-ton low-frequency induction furnaces. This increased the melting capacity by 6 tons per hour. These furnaces are used to manufacture ductile cast iron. Contrary to the cupola, which uses a continuous casting process, induction furnaces are operated in batches, which allow the casting of several grades of iron and increases the range of products manufactured at the foundry. In order to ensure the quality of the cast iron that comes from the cupola, a carbon equivalent test is done every 15 minutes. Full tests will be done in laboratory on samples taken from the cupola every hour and from every batch for induction furnaces. These tests allow us to determine the elongation strength and the chemistry of the casting iron. The molten iron is then ready for distribution to the different molding areas. Pipe and valve box manufacturing requires the centrifuging process, which means that liquid iron is injected into spinning steel molds. These molds are then water-cooled to obtain the final product. The foundry has double and simple centrifugal machines with cycle times of approximately 1 minute. Bibby-Ste-Croix also uses another type of equipment to cast parts: green molding sand. The sand is mixed with predetermined quantities of water and clay before being distributed to molding machines by conveyor. The pattern is printed in the sand to create the mold in which the liquid iron is poured. Sand samples are taken to the laboratory every hour. Several tests are done: compactability, green strength, shear, combustibility, particle size analysis, and moisture are measured in order to control the quality of the end product. The foundry has 3 sand molding machines. The Dismatic, with its vertical molds, produces parts that require a finer surface finish. It can produce parts from 1 to 50 pounds on a casting surface of 24 by 30. The Spomatic is used to cast smaller parts in casting boxes of 14 by 18. The Osborne manufactures bigger and heavier parts. The Osborne boxes are 36 by 35. In 2002, we added a new cold box molding line. It incorporates a Kloster brand high-speed continuous mixer with a flow of 1,250 pounds per minute. Sand is blended to a resin and a catalyst, then distributed to boxes and compacted by vibration before being forwarded to the automatic molding carousel. A 10 to 15 minute hardening period is required before removing the mold from the box. The mold's maximum capacity is 60 inches by 70 by 16. Thanks to this addition, Bibby-Ste-Croix is now able to manufacture larger parts and serve a broader market. When a part contains a cavity, it is necessary to create this cavity by inserting a core in the mold. The Foundry owns several shell molding machines to manufacture cores. The blend of sand and resin is fired in a heated mold between metallic plates. Part finishing sometimes requires several steps, like cleaning, grinding, painting, and metal machining. To clean, Bibby-Ste-Croix uses several types of shot blasting machine: a tumbling shot blasting machine, a metallic conveyor shot blasting machine, a monorail abrasive blasting machine, and a turntable shot blasting machine. Once cleaned, the products are forwarded to the grinding stations to be painted afterward when necessary. Finally, metal machining requires drilling and tapping machines or machining tools. There are over 3,500 models prepared, maintained, and stored by the pattern making team. In order to maintain and repair all its equipment, the maintenance department works 24/7. Bibby-Ste-Croix established a preventative maintenance program and uses the latest computer technology to manage work orders. At Bibby-Ste-Croix, sustainable development reflects on all aspects of the production. We can summarize its managerial philosophy as follows: honor its heritage by manufacturing authentic and durable products. Invest in the future of the company, its employees, and community. Promote excellence in integrity, service, and quality. Accede to the highest health, security, and environmental standards. Support Canadian and North American made products.